how to make strike-through text on Messenger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type strike-through text within the Messenger app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. The first is going to be by just surrounding the text that you want to be strike-through with a tilde. So I'm going to first find the tilde right there, and then I'm going to type the text that I want strike-through, and then just end the text with a tilde. And when you do that, it'll give you a quick example. And when I send it, as you can see, it now is strike-through. Now, if you want to send text that is in other fonts on Messenger, all we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to a website like texttrick.com. And full disclosure, I made this website. But once you get here, just type the text that you want. Then once you type it, scroll down and you'll see all the available fonts that you can use in Messenger. So once you find something that you like, simply select copy next to it, go back to Messenger and just paste that in like so. And when you send it, you'll see that it sends it in that text. And as you can see, the person you send it to gets it in that font as well. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.